Hey guys, just making a quick video on valve stem replacements. I'm just replacing the normal valve stem and putting on this tire the pressure sensor. Just a quick video, simple stuff. Knife, valve stem remover tool. That's a simple one to get. And yeah, simple stuff. Cut off your old one while it's on there. All you do is you take your knife and hold the one side with one hand and then just start cutting it, like just slicing it, and then turn it from this side. Just give it a twist as you're cutting it, and then you can just cut off the end and it'll look like that, and you pull that piece through here, through the hole. Then you take your new valve stem sensor with the sensor on it, take your tool. There's one end that you could use that'll remove the valve stem. You just stick it in there and turn it lefty-loosey, twist it right out, pull it right out, and then take some grease, stick it on your valve stem like that, or whatever you want to use. Dish soap would work too. Anything else, put it on there, any type of lube you want to use. Take your valve stem, pop it in place as far like that, placed like that on your rim. Take your valve stem on the one side, it's threaded like that. Take your remover, and then what you'll do is you'll thread it in there in that hole right there. I'll pause the video and come back and show you what I'm talking about. So just like that, just screw it in place, get it nice and straight with your you see how I have them in both the same direction, so you can grab this. And you could pry it with something without trying to wreck your rim, or you could just grab it if you're strong enough, and with your two fingers like this, place your thumb there, and then you just give it a squeeze, and it should just pop in place like that. Again, all I did was I pulled on this, stuck my thumb here, and then just pulled it through like that. And yeah, then replace your reinstall your valve stem. Just take it and screw it in there. Sorry. Just reinstall your valve stem like that, stick it in there, screw it in, and use that end to put it back in, and only tighten it so tight, nice and snug. Don't try to over tighten or anything like that, you'll bust it out. But yeah, that's a quick simple replacement on a valve stem, changing from the old valve stem to the new sensored valve stem. Simple stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.